Imagine getting to do what you love every day with like-minded teammates. In every country where we are present, we share our strong and unique culture, reinforced by our two values, vitality and responsibility.
In Decathlon throughout the world, we like to go to many places where we feel we are needed. In India, our purpose is to make sport accessible to the many, and I feel we do it in a number of ways.
We are one team from research to retail, including design, production and logistics. Each of our sports team focuses on developing technically sound, attractive and simple products, always at the lowest possible prices.
Our main objective in logistics is to ensure the availability thanks to the fact our supply network, our stock equation, at the same time the low-cost delivery. Team members of logistics directly manage one store with a full verticalization with the store. It's a good alignment because finally they understand the requirement of the user and they can be very fast with a frugal concept.
In car, we have 5 different teams, which is CAC, car, import, export and e-commerce.
At Decathlon, we believe the best way to learn your business is to walk your way up from scratch, and that's exactly what we practice. Every team member who joins our team begins his journey as a retail logistician. He or she is the point of contact for his user. In our case, it's one store. One aspect of his job is to ensure he delivers the right product at the right time based on the requirement of his user. On the other side, he works with the store team to identify strategic measures to ensure he makes available more products with a common goal of making sports accessible to the many. We also have other teams like safety, reception and inventory who ensure that we work in a safe environment and also hold the right stock. Post this, the team member can decide his or her future project with the help of his coach. The projects can be within logistics like import, export, the continental warehouse, within the car warehouse or in e-commerce. He can also choose to take up projects in different verticals of Decathlon.
We like to ensure the right product delivered to our users on right time, so we divide our vision in 4 axes. A pool of potential in logistics who can be the future leaders to take another responsibility in logistics or outside logistics, because we ensure that there is a horizontal growth as well as vertical. Second perimeter, we like to do the best service in the world from the logistics to ensure the sustainable and reliability for the service, which in turn will ensuring lots of happy users. And finally, the cheaper than cheaper service for our users to ensure the happy users value for money.
Decathlon Logistics recruit team members who have the passion of the sport. To satisfy sport users, find a quick solution when you have some issue, and they are meticulous because we want the best experience for our customers.
At Decathlon, we look for people who do not stop themselves from taking decisions or who do not hesitate to take up the challenge. This is exactly what motivated me 5 years back in joining this company.
Hello, my name is Hitesh. My association started with Decathlon when I did my internship as a college project. The best thing I like about Decathlon is it gives you freedom to do your work in whatever way you want.
My prime responsibilities is to take care of the stock, and I start my day by receiving the order and picking and packing the product in an efficient manner. Once the boxes are packed, I move the boxes to the respective loading bay. I plan the dispatch date with my store and then load the truck, ensuring that space optimization is there.
I got to learn so much about timely picking, timely delivery to the stores, rupture analysis, space optimization, etc.
When you show hard work and dedication, you're given higher responsibilities really quickly. I started off as a retail logistician, handling the fulfillment of one particular store for 6 months. Today, I coach almost 23 retail logisticians across the South Zone for the fulfillment of all our stores. With encouragement in Decathlon comes the support. With every higher responsibility that we take, all the mandatory trainings and coachings are always given to us over a period of time to ensure that we fulfill our responsibilities at its best.
I chose Decathlon over the various other companies that visited my college because of its unique and wonderful culture.
I joined Decathlon as a retail logistician where I was managing implantation for indoor store. Currently, I work as an export transport leader.
My responsibility as an export transport leader is to ensure on-time delivery for international users by managing various forwarders and liners and coordinating with production and destination team.
So the beauty of our profile is exploring all the aspects of supply chain and taking decisions by setting our own KPIs.
So I joined as a logistics department manager in the car warehouse, and 7 months after that, I've got an opportunity to be part of an international project called HOPE. As a part of this project, me along with 30 other decathlonians were put together in our headquarters in Lille, where we were living, studying and working together. And this has helped me to understand Decathlon as a company overall. Thanks to this project, it helped me to become the person I am today, not just as a manager, but as an individual. It helped me to push my boundaries, it helped me to open up my mind, and now, as a coach of a CAC warehouse, I am able to create my vision with this global view. I am able to give a direction to my team member with this understanding of the company.
This journey started from Chennai to Delhi, Delhi to Dhaka, Dhaka to Chittagong, Chittagong to Delhi, Delhi to Colombo, and back to Bangalore. Every location had a new constraint. Every city had a new challenge. And every stop had to make new decisions. And the company entrusted me in taking them.
We'll be very happy to welcome you in Decathlon Sports India Logistics. If you are enough sportive and vital in your job and as a person, once you finish your tenure of the retail logisticians, you can be responsible of the transport to ensuring the right product delivery to our users on right time. You can be a concept guy managing the flow of logistics to ensure the efficiency of the warehousing. You can be a team leader of the warehousing as well, working with responsible 15 team members to ensure the happiness of our users. But you are not restricted only in logistics as well. There are opportunities. You can move out to the offer team of DMI. You can be moving towards the store because you are much more users friendly. And finally, you can be working in the production as well. So there are tremendous growth opportunity, horizontal, vertical both, provided you have a right capacity to take it forward.
So guys, if you want some craziness in life, some freedom to take decisions, and autonomy to decide what you feel is right, join us.